Hey everyone, I just want to let you know that I did something I wasn't supposed to do. So I removed the drain plug before trying to remove and attempt the fuel plug on this Subaru Forester. And the fuel plug strip, it was a hex 8mm, but it stripped. It was so tight that it was crazy and it stripped. So what I'm doing here is a last resort method. So I drained all the transmission fluid and I measured it, and I had about 5 liters and a bit more. So what I'm doing here is I plugged using the pump, and I plugged with a caliper boot that I found, and you see the hose for my transmission fluid pump. So it's all plugged now. So I'm kind of filling up from the drain plug. Because I cannot get out the fill plug. I don't have a welder. I would have welded a nut or something, but I don't have access to that. So right now it's all plugged, and so it doesn't drop. I'm sorry, that little drop was the AC. So it's properly plugged, so there's no way it's gonna leak. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fill it a bit more than it drained. So this way, when I unplug this, I'm gonna have to plug this right away. But like I said, this is a very last resort method, and for people like me who doesn't have a welder. So I'm using the pump. Everything is good. I have 5 liters. I'm gonna add one more pump, and then I'm gonna just do it very quickly, and then unplug this hose, and then right away plug my drain plug bolt, and then voila, I should have enough, better than nothing. So I just wanted to share with you guys this quick tip, and thank you very much for watching. Hope this helped you out. So this is really for the Subarus, because usually I never have any problems removing the fuel plug, and this time I do have. So I really hate Allens or hexes or Torx. And by the way, for the front differential, this is a T70. I just found out, and it's really, I'm gonna have to find that T70. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.